Do you want to add only music in the Instagram story? You can post only song without pictures and video into your Instagram story with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add only music in Instagram story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To add only music to your Instagram story without any photos or videos. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, tap the plus icon at the top left corner of your profile. After tapping, a pop-up menu will appear. From here, find and tap on Story. A new screen will appear, where you can add a photo, video, or only music to your story. To add only music without any pictures or videos, find and tap the music icon at the top of the screen. A music library screen will then appear. Browse through Instagram's music library or use the search bar to find a specific song. Once you find the song you want, tap on it to add it. Now, the selected music will now appear on the screen. Instagram allows you to select specific parts of the song, from 5 to 15 seconds, to feature in your story. To choose a part of the music, tap on the music icon that appears on the screen and drag the slider to select the portion of the song you want. To set the duration, tap on the duration icon and choose the length between 5 to 15 seconds from the pop-up screen. Once you've selected the song and the clip, you'll see the music on your screen with an option to adjust its appearance. You can tap the music icon to change the style or lyrics display. Finally, tap on the Your Story button to post it to your Instagram story. Now, your friends and followers will be able to listen to only music when they view your story.